You're recognized, Attorney Lopez.
Thank you, Sir Chua. Ma'am, as mentioned earlier, the letter that we have submitted is a mere request to the Commission on Audit.
Yeah.
It is a simple statement of our position, given that there is a ongoing audit investigation on the confidential funds.
No, you are not responsive, Mr. Chair,
Okay.
doon sa tanong ko. So anong mapapala ko lang doon sa sinasabi nyo na, at in-emphasize nyo pa, for the sake of exposure. No? The only purpose mentioned is to expose to the public the use of confidential funds. So the only purpose ay, ano lang, expose ko lang yan? Tingin mo wala akong dahilan bakit natin nire-raise itong confidential funds?
Hindi naman po, Your Honor. Ito lang po yung position namin as an office. Hindi naman namin sinasabi na wala po kayong purpose. Except,
To expose it.
no, in this case kasi, Your Honor, the premise is that hindi pa po final yung findings ng audit investigation. So, we feel that it was not the right time to release it because it was inconclusive. It was not final.
Okay.
Yun naman po. But it is not to say, Your Honor, that you have no purpose.
Yes.
Really, at the
Oo.
end of the day, meron po kayong position. I understand that as member of the Akbayan. Makabayan, sorry, Your Honor. Makabayan Block.
Yes. As member of the Makabayan, mula pa nung panahon ni former representative sa Turo Ocampo, against na kami sa mga confidential funds, sa mga iba't ibang funds na walang control, no, yung ating taong bayan. Kaya yung pag-expose natin ng confidential funds, hindi lang yan sa panahon namin. At nakita naman natin yung mga experience niyan. Instead, di ba, kung meron tayong confidential funds, ibigay yan doon sa mas tangible na mga projects, mapapakinabangan ng taong bayan, di ba? So, yun po yung ano namin doon. At hindi yung dahil in-expose lang natin. Kasi meron din kasing statement si Vice President, with due respect, na ginamit itong confidential funds, no? At napag-usapan namin with the speaker. Walang ganon. For the record, Mr. Chair, no? Walang ganon na itong confidential funds kaya daw in-expose ni France o kaya in-expose ng Makabayan dahil meron kaming kontsabahan ng speaker or leadership. Walang ganon, no? Nakita niyo naman, no? Bakit natin expose ito? Dahil may nakita tayong notice of disallowance at bukod pa dun sa purpose natin na syempre hindi dapat nagkakaroon ng confidential funds. So, yun po, no? Para on the record, malinaw lang yung posisyon ng Makabayan at ng kinatawang ito dito sa confidential funds at walang kinalaman si Speaker, with due respect,